Okay, we have a question here that says divide this 1 into 8 base 2 by 101, which is base 2 again. Now, you can solve this question easily by converting each of them to base 10, divide them, then express it back, because your options, if it is objective, your options may be in base 2. So you have to convert it back to base 2. Or, however, I want to teach you that you can equally divide, do it directly. Let's look at the solution. You divide using what we call long division method. The factor here is 101, and we have 1 into 8. This going to 1. We are using this to divide 111 divided by 101. This going to this will give us 1 remainder. Remainder what? You do the minus 101. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0. So it will give us 1 times this will give us 101 minus, we are doing minus, please. This minus this is 0, this minus this is 1, this minus this is 0, so this is nothing. Now bring down the next pair, just like long division method. Bring down the next number, which will give us 1. So just one single 1. So this going into this will give us 1, because it is the same thing. Any number divided itself will give you 1, so you have 1. 1 times this is 101. Minus, you have, so bring down the next 1 pair. You just bring down 1. So if you minus this, you have nothing. This going to this will give us 0. You understand? Because it's less than this. Give us 0. 0 times this. I listen to what I'm saying. 0 times this will give us 0. Minus, you have 1. So now you brought down 1, and after the 0, you have this. So what you do now is this going to, now you know that this minus this is 1. Bring down next 1. In each of this line, we are bringing down 1. So we'll bring down 1. This going to this will still give us 0, because it's less than 101. That's the reason why it will give us 0. It will give us 0. This going to this will give us 0. 0 times this is 0. You can just write 0, 0. Minus, you have 11. Now we have entered into another phase. You bring that next 1. So we'll be having 101. This going to this will give us 1. 1 times this is 101. Minus it, you have this minus this is 0. This minus this is 1. This minus this is 0, which is nothing. So bring down the next number, because we just entered into another phase. So bring down the next number, which will give us 1. This going to 101 will give us 1. 1 times 101 is 101. Minus, you have 0. So your answer is simply 110011. Check it using whichever method you want to check. Press it on your calculator and check if it is the answer. If it is the answer, share my video.